Sir, come in. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. May I have a seat?
Please
Thank you, sir.
introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Prateek Gurung. I am from Uttarakhand, Dehradun. I have completed my mechanical education from Graphic Art DMD University in 2023 with 80% marks. And I've done my schooling from Dehradun, from Seven Oaks School, in which
What is the meaning of 7 oaks?
So it means seven
Oaks.
trees, oak trees.
What kind of tree is it?
So like maple, olive, chestnut.
In
and
which
willow.
region it can be found usually? The
So
region,
usually
yeah.
in mountains area.
Okay. So you are coming from Uttarakhand.
Yes, sir.
Hi GME aspirant, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. If you want to prepare on your own, information is the key. Download Merchant Navy Start app right now and start preparing. Suppose if you want to stay in the comfort of your home and prepare, then GME live classes are available on Merchant Navy Decoded platform. At least you can get for discussions and what you have to study, how you have to study and how much you have to study. Very important. Suppose you are looking at faster results ASAP. Why don't you come to SMVD Marine Academy offline coaching? Yes. Amazing mock interviews, amazing atmosphere, amazing results. More than 150 selections in 1 year. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Result is yours.
Which district?
Dehradun.
Can you speak something about Dehradun?
So it is located at the foothills of the Uttara Himalayas, and it is also known for its natural beauty and its pleasant climate. And it is also a gateway for Char Dham Yatra. And it is near to hill station Mussoorie, and it is also known for its modern society and its spiritual.
Tell me, why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
So because sir, from the young age I was eager to learn about machine and how it starts and stops. That's why I chose BTech Mechanical, and after pursuing my BTech and Mechanical, I came to know about much.
There are now plenty of mechanical jobs after BTech, but why you specifically choose GME?
So because sir, in JME we will learn about many different and special, huge, humongous machines, whereas in core like onshore or offshore jobs like power plant, I will be in only one sector only, and
Okay.
I will not be able to grow myself.
What are the roles and responsibilities of a marine engineer?
Sir, first of all, there is safety. Like we have to wear our safety boiler suit and gloves and all. Then we have to learn about the line tracing of the different machines. We have to know the working principle of different machine and how it starts and stops. We have to know about we have to assist second engineer and senior engineer also. We have to learn different jobs and responsibility of fourth engineer.
Are you aware of the life at sea?
Yes, sir.
What kind of life?
Sir, it is isolated and it can cause sea sickness also. And there are
What do you
many.
mean by seasickness?
Sir, due to sea, because of the rolling of the sea, some people are not able to survive, as there are many like vomiting also, and there are many headache also.
Let's suppose you face the same problems there. How would you tackle?
No, sir, I have done my medical in that field also.
So you have experienced
Yes,
how
sir.
is the sea life?
Yes, sir.
When and how?
Sir, I have been into different boats in Mumbai. That's why.
Okay, what are the applications of second law of thermodynamics?
The applications are heat pump, refrigerator, and heat engine.
What is the difference between heat engine, heat pump and refrigeration?
Sir, in refrigerator we have to maintain low temperature with respect to the surroundings, whereas in heat pump we have to maintain high temperature with respect to surroundings.
Okay, and what are the main component of refrigeration system?
So there are four main components like condenser, compressor, thermostatic expansion valve, and evaporator.
Okay, explain what is the isobaric process?
So according to this process, pressure is constant and change in pressure is zero. And according to first law of thermodynamics, Q equals to delta U plus W.
What is the isothermal process?
So according to this process, change in temperature is zero and temperature is constant. And according to first law of thermodynamics, the Q equals to W.
Okay,
Work.
tell me what is internal energy?
So it is the sum of all energies like potential energy, kinetic energy, and pressure energy.
Okay. What is boiler?
So it is used to convert water into high pressure steam.
Okay. Tell me about the some boiler mountings.
So there are external and internal boiler mountings. So we have safety valve, purge valve, temperature gauge, pressure gauge, and water level indicator, scum valve, steam stop valve, and bottom blow down valve.
Okay. What is the internal mounting?
So which is inside the steam drum, and it has a cyclone separator, Chevron separator, and fusible plug and dryer, and we have
Okay. What is the difference between the internal combustion engine and external combustion engine?
so basic difference is the thermodynamic matter is burned inside the system in internal, and external is thermodynamic gas is burned outside the system, and its efficiency is 30. Internal efficiency is 35 to 55, whereas external efficiency is 15 to 25. And the power to weight ratio is higher in internal, and power to weight ratio is lower, and maintenance is higher in internal because there are many moving parts, whereas in external there are less moving parts, like only turbine.
Okay. Tell me about that. What is the isochoric process?
So it is a process in which volume is constant and change in volume is zero, and as per first law of thermodynamics, it is Q equals to delta U.
Your name?
Pratik Guru.
Pratik. Explain four-stroke valve time diagram.
Sir,
Yes.
we have to draw it, or
No, just explain it.
sir, the inlet valve open before the piston goes to TDC at the exhaust stroke at 15% before TDC, and it closes, and when it comes from TDC to BDC, the valve inlet valve closes after 30 degree after BDC, and during compression the spark ignition or fuel injection is done at 25 degree before TDC, and fuel injection stops at 25 degree before TDC, and after that
Are you sure before BDC, TDC? Fuel
Sir,
injection stops
after TDC.
at what degree?
Sir, 10 degree.
Then what next?
Sir, power strokes happen, and then at before 50 degree before TDC, BDC, exhaust valve opens, and when from BDC to TDC, after TDC it goes till 25 degree when exhaust valve goes.
Okay, what is valve overlap period?
So when both inlet and exhaust valve open during the period.
Explain freshwater generator.
Sir, it is used to convert sea-water into fresh water with the help of distillation process.
What is distillation process?
Sir, it is a combination of evaporation and condensation process
What, or we can say how vacuum is produced inside the freshwater generator?
with the help of air duct eductor.
Explain it.
Sir, when air duct eductor works on Venturi principle, and Venturi principle works on Bernoulli's theorem and equation of continuity. So when air duct pump is on, so what sea water goes inside the air duct eductor
And what is the purpose of it?
to decrease the pressure.
To decrease the pressure. How pressure will going to decrease?
Sir, as per equation of continuity,
What is equation of continuity?
the mass flow rate is at all point is equal. It means A1 V1 equals to V1 A2 V2.
What about Bernoulli's theorem?
It is at a sum of all pressure energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy is same. From
Explain AVR.
Sir, AVR. Sir, it is known as auto voltage regulator.
Auto voltage regulator. Are you
Automatic
sure?
automatic voltage regulator. It has three main components.
Okay.
Like sampling unit, comparator, and SCR is silicon control rectifier. So sampling unit takes the current voltage from the generator stator, and it takes the AC voltage. So then comparator has a set value takes the difference of the actual and the set voltage, and that error voltage goes to the rectifier SCR, and that SCR then converts that AC current into DC current with the help of set of nodes, diodes and capacitors.
What is the purpose of capacitor here?
So it is used to decrease the pulsating nature of the DC current.
Difference between AC and DC?
Sir, AC is the which has different frequency, and it has constant frequency. DC.
Only one difference. Okay, tell me why single phase induction motors are not self-starting motor?
Because sir, it produce pulsating nature. So magnetic field are in forward and backward direction, and due to that, net torque is zero.
Okay, very good. That's all. हाँ प्रतीक, हाँ
Yes.
ठीक है, टेक्निकल ठीक है, थोड़ा और कॉन्फिडेंट लाओ बोलने में, थोड़ा नर्वस लग रहे हो बट बेटर कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ भी बोल सकते हो.
Yes.
और कभी कभी आप आंसर को नर्वसनेस के चलते जैसे बीडीसी को टीडीसी बोल दे रहे थे, फिर आप करेक्ट भी कर रहे हो अपने आप को, मतलब आपकी इतनी माइंड प्रोसेस कर रही है कि आपने टीडीसी बोला है, अब आप उसको फिर से करेक्ट भी कर रहे हो. तो थोड़ा मुझे लगता है और बेटर कॉन्फिडेंट लाओ, मतलब एंग्लो जैसे कंपनीज में कर सकते हो. क्लियर? इट इज गुड.
Pratik, same opinion as sir. Like you are lacking your confidence, although you are aware of what to say and what not to say. And the main thing was that your eye contact. When you were answering Rajiv sir, so you were looking only at Rajiv sir. When you were answering Vikas sir, then you were only looking at Vikas sir. So you should, pay eye contact, pay attention towards each and every, panel member.
Yes.
So you have to look at everyone simultaneously.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
This is the major thing which I noticed during the whole interview. The good thing is that you are aware of lots of discourse markers and connectors. For example, whereas like or both and as per, in which you are able to use the language accurately.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Whatever the situation is. But if it is not confident, then there is no use, right?
Yes.
As far as your language or speaking part is concerned, rest is okay.
Yes.
Fine, that's the only feedback. Maintain the eye contact. Fine.
ठीक है प्रतीक, जैसे सर ने बोला कि टेक्निकल सही है, सही कर रहे हो, बट चीज़ों को रिपीट कर रहे हो और गलत डिलीवर कर देते हो, फिर उसे करेक्ट कर रहे हो. ठीक है ना, ये चीज़ों को थोड़ा अवॉइड करना है. और आई कॉन्टैक्ट स्टार्टिंग में सही था बट बाद में ब्रेक हो गया. ठीक है ना, वो फोकस बस जो आंसर पूछ रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, उसी पे जा रहा है. तो ये थोड़ा सा मेंटेन रखना है. ठीक है ना, ऑल ओवर वैसे करेक्ट है, चीज़ें रिपीट नहीं करनी है, जो एक बार डिलीवर की उसी को रहना है. ठीक है ना.
Okay, sir.